make a movie? Hell yeah! But you don't have any money? Well, no.
But you want to be a filmmaker?
Well, that's wrong. Goals, not dreams. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Joe here with another episode. Today we're talking low budget filmmaking. And when I say low budget, I mean very, very low. So I decided to cancel a couple of my subscriptions. So it gave me about $20 extra a month to get some filmmaking gear, like a new tripod, some props, whatever you decide that you want to film. First off, we gotta talk basics. Very first thing you should have is a tripod. This tripod right here is an Amazon tripod, runs about 15, 16 bucks. It's not the greatest, but it'll work. Now you're also gonna need a backdrop. And you can buy a green screen, blue screen, or whatever offline for relatively cheap. I found a green screen at a thrift store, so we're gonna be using that for some of our stuff. Also, you're gonna need some clamps. They come in handy. You got backdrops, diffusers, anything you need to clamp up on set, you're definitely gonna need those. And since we're talking low budget, we're gonna use our phone. So I found one of these selfie sticks at a thrift store. It ran me $5, $6. I don't use this part. I take this part off to hold my phone and then just set that on top of the tripod. So now you're also gonna want some lights. And I found that going to thrift stores and Goodwill and whatnot can get you some really awesome cheap lights. Just check out your local thrift store. So I found this one right here. This is just your standard LED work light. It gets really bright. This ring light runs about $15. You can easily find that on Amazon or whatnot. Or just your basic desk lamp. Now you can use any of those to set up the lighting in your scene. You just have to use your imagination. I'll list all this stuff in the description so you guys can check it out. And the last thing you need is just some imagination. Just get out there and go shoot. Don't forget to go out there and blaze your own trail. Peace.